actiTIME offers several ways to review users' time off data. First is the View Time Track interface. Here, you can see how much leave time was taken within a selected period and check the available leave balances. Next is the Leave Time and Balances report. It provides a detailed picture of the tracked time off and the leave types your employees used. Besides, you can export this report as a CSV or a PDF file, and save it as a shortcut to never lose time configuring it again. It's also possible to create real-time reporting widgets that display current time tracking trends. You can configure them to show either leave time alone or compare it to the total working hours. Moreover, you can select which leave types you want to track and whose data to include in the view. Last but not least, we have visual charts. They display leave hours, PTO balances, and sick days balances. You can sort reported data by users, departments, leave types, and different periods of time.